Welcome back to the Recipe Tales. We are going to do shiitake mushroom fried rice, and I like to have a chunky mushroom, so I have cut in bigger pieces, but feel free if you like to have slices, go ahead and do it. Most of the vegetables for my fried rice, I have it done this time a little bit more long and chunky, so that with the rice I get to feel the vegetables that I'm having. So shall we start? Ingredients for shiitake mushroom fried rice: 15 grams garlic cloves, 40 gram red onion, 1 fresh green chili seeded, 60 gram cooking oil, 60 gram string beans, 60 gram carrots, 100 gram shiitake mushroom, 3/4 teaspoon salt, half a teaspoon pepper, 30 gram sliced capsicum, 700 gram cooked rice, 20 grams soya sauce, 10 grams dark soya sauce, 1/4 teaspoon sesame seed oil, 40 gram spring onions chopped finely, 20 grams sliced red chili, 1 tablespoon toasted black sesame seeds. Let's start making our fried rice. We're going to begin with chopping the ingredients. So we're going to put garlic, our onions and green chilies. I like this fragrance, a little bit of fresh chili, so I'm doing that. And then we cover it. Right, and we are going to chop it. We're going to put 4 seconds, and it's going to go to speed 6. Okay. So let's scrape that down. This is how it looks. Next, we're going to add our oil, and we're going to saute this. So we're going to have it at 5 minutes. (120 degrees) and on spoon mode. I like the onions to be really sauteed, so you have that nice crispy flavor to it. The sweetness is out, and that's why I'm taking longer. But if you feel that is too much for you, you can always reduce to 4 minutes. So those of you who are adding meat or anything like chicken and all, then you need at least 5 minutes to saute. So my onion and garlic is well sauteed, and the next stage I'm going to do is I'm going to insert the butterfly, because I don't want the rice to break up. So we're going to insert the butterfly in first, and then I'm going to add my mushrooms, the carrots, the string beans that I've cut, and the capsicum goes. And I'm going to add that little bit of salt so that it will cook well. And we're going to cover it and cook for 4 minutes. So we're going to saute 120 degrees, and we're going to go on spoon mode. Right, so I checked, and then you can also do cooking by Varoma dish. So you can put about 6 minutes to cook everything to get the mushrooms well done. So that's another option of cooking using Varoma rather than 120 degrees. So the next part of it is that I'm going to add in my cold, not cold, but cool cooked rice. So you have to cook this rice and keep it cool at room temperature, then only you can do it. Don't keep a rice that is kept in the fridge will break very easily when you do fried rice. Right, so the next portion is that we're going to add our sauces, the light soya sauce, the dark soya sauce, and some pepper, and a drop of sesame seed oil. We're going to cover. And we are just going to cook for another 2 more minutes. That's 120 and on spoon mode. Ooh, look at that. That is nice. The color is just beautiful. And let me just take that out, and this is how it looks. And let me put that in my server. I'm going to take part of it out, then I'm going to lift the butterfly out. So our fried rice has been done with mushroom, shiitake mushroom, with just a drop of sesame seed oil that gives you the real flavor of it. And of course, I like toasted black sesame seeds, so I garnish it with that. So this is my fried rice. We have done of 700 grams of cooked cold rice, room temperature, and you know what? It is so fast and easy to make for the family. My name is Sushila Patel. This is the Recipe Tales. Recipes with a modern twist.